We're making our way to our next stop on our epic family Airstream trip. We started off in Eagle River, Wisconsin and spent some time boating with family, and then moved on to Monroe, Michigan, which we used as a jumping off point to explore Ann Arbor and Detroit. We left Monroe yesterday and ended up staying the night at a Harvest Host in Pennsylvania, but now it's time to move on to our new home for the week, our nation's capital for the 4th of July. Along the way, we made an impromptu stop at the Flight 93 National Memorial in Pennsylvania and picked up our national park passports along with the kids' junior ranger passport. And then we made our way to Cherry Hill Park, where we will be staying for the week. Oh, good morning. We are spending the next 6 days here. Cherry Hill Park in College Park, Maryland, I think is where it is. Great RV park. I'll share it with you during this video. All of its amenities, because it's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. It's only Tuesday, 4th of July is on Friday, so it's still not like super hopping. There's a lot of people here, but there's like no one around us. Some people just left, some people left yesterday, so I think it's gonna start getting a little bit busier probably Wednesday or Thursday. Thursday definitely, because the 4th is on Friday. But today I think we're just gonna keep a chill day and explore the RV park, figure out where laundry is, because I need to do some laundry. And then there's a couple of different pools, so I wanted to check those out with the kids as well. That's kind of the plan for today, but I also need to do some research and figure out what cool, fun activities we can do in the DC area. There's a ton. And now that we have our passports for national parks, we gotta go and get some stamps. I love stamps, I love stickers, I love collecting things. We need to figure out what else we're doing, and I need to flip this bacon before it burns. After eating breakfast, we walked over to a park that was like 6 sites away, and then we decided to search for the laundry room and the splash pad. The boys had a blast playing in the water, but then a thunderstorm rolled in, so we ended up just chilling for the rest of the day. But the next day, we headed to our very first Washington, D.C. activity. After having a low-key day yesterday, we decided it was time to start checking out the sites, starting with the National Zoo. Hey, Harry, what animal are you most excited to see?
A zebra.
A zebra? What sound does a zebra make? I don't know either. Hey, Maxie, what animal do you want to see today?
A panda.
A panda? Well, you're in luck because this zoo has some pandas. Ready to go? Let's do it.
Good job.
Very good mooing. I don't know about you, but I definitely didn't come to the zoo to see a cow.
Or a donkey.
Let's get some good stuff.
Lions, tigers, bears.
Oh my.
Look at those piranhas. They're gonna bite you. Arr, 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 arr.
Don't bite me.
Apparently we picked the hilliest section of the zoo to start first.
Mama.
Loving it.
Somehow it's uphill both ways. I don't understand that.
We have found meats in the wilderness.
She's pretty good for panda. Not bad.
Oh, for panda.
Panda's just trying to have a smoke.
And a little Harry. Oh. Would you like me to pour some on your head, Tata?
Yeah, please do. Do it.
Do you really want me to?
Yeah, do it.
I wanted to share with you an amazing deal that ButcherBox has going on right now. They're celebrating fall by offering new members free steak tips, chicken breasts, or ground beef in every box for a year. This deal goes until October 9th, so if you'd like to stock your freezer with ethically sourced premium cuts of meat, head to the link in the show notes and take advantage of it today. Good morning. The zoo was fabulous. It is the day before the 4th of July, and we're trying to figure out some stamps that we can go and get for our passport that we got at the Flight 93 Memorial. If we could go down and get that kind of stuff done, the Lincoln Memorial and all that, before the festivities, at least then we've gotten that done. So I'm right now kind of trying to figure out where we're gonna hit and then try to figure out where the passport stamp portion of it is, and then we can head on our way. First stop is the Vietnam Veterans War Memorial. This is a powerful tribute honoring the men and women who served in the Vietnam War. Designed by Maya Lin and dedicated in 1982, its black granite wall is etched with the names of over 58,000 service members who lost their lives or remain missing. The reflective surface allows visitors to see their own image alongside the engraved names, creating a deeply personal experience of remembrance and healing. It was a super hot day and the boys were so sweaty, but they kept wanting to just run laps. So we let them take a little break and do so before we headed over to the Lincoln Memorial. They've got this little makeshift ramp so you can bring your stroller all the way up to the top, and it was really convenient. I gave the boys a lesson on Abraham Lincoln, and then we attempted to take a few family photos. Then we had to search for the Lincoln Memorial stamp. They're doing some construction, so they've moved the bookstore about a block away. We found some lunch, and then we moved on to the Korean War Veterans Memorial. This was dedicated in 1995. It honors the millions who served during the Korean War. Its most striking feature is a group of 19 stainless steel statues that represent a squad on patrol, symbolizing the diverse branches of the U.S. Armed Forces. The memorial also includes a wall of remembrance etched with images of those who served, alongside the words, "Freedom is not free," reminding visitors of the sacrifices made in a conflict often called the Forgotten War. It is the 4th of July today, so we are heading in to hit a museum first before trying to find a spot at the Washington Monument to watch the fireworks. The boys are sleeping, so there's not a lot of complaints, and we are excited to check out one of the Smithsonian's. Death from outer space. Do you think our metal band should be called Death from Outer Space?
I mean, I don't see what else it could be.
And now, the epic dinosaur poop.
Preserved stomach contents. That's so cool.
That's kind of cool.
This is the meal of this thing.
Right.
And that is the meal of that thing.
Wow.
That's cool.
Okay, so the fish behind me, this one and this one, are what I call creepy ass fish. So they have giant jaws and probably the bioluminescence or something like that. I don't know, because these are millions of years old, but I don't like them. They scare me, and that's all I need to say about that.
I had no idea dinosaurs had this kind of technology. This going to force me to rethink a few things.
Here, going back in time.
I like it. I just don't know why it's all Art Deco and stuff, you know.
This was the first specimen to show what Stegosaurus actually looked like.
I'm a little peckish. Are these free?
You better not touch the exhibit.
Exhibit? I thought this was a snack.
No.
No?
What? What's going on?
What do you think, guys? What do you think? Yeah, that they approve.
The wild beasts have calmed for now. I've literally never seen them like that. Have you?
That's scary. No, that's crazy.
It was weird, and I don't like it one bit. Hey,
Thank you.
guess where we're at? Can you say Fogo de Chao? Can you say Fogo de Chao?
Thank you.
Yeah, we are insane and decided to bring these psychopaths here, and we're going to see what happens. But we needed food. We needed sustenance. Tata, how you doing?
So much better now.
Good. Why?
I just, I like it. I like my Coke Zero. I don't know what to tell you.
How are you doing, Tata? Was dinner good?
It's real good.
Best birthday dinner ever?
I mean, best in the last couple years, for sure.
That's true. What did you just say?
Oh, no.
You said, I can't chill.
Impossible.
I can't do it.
I like waffle fries.
You like what?
You like waffle fries.
You like waffle fries? Where did that come from?
That was random, bro.
Hey, Tata, happy birthday. Mwah. Love you.
Love you.
There we go. Look. Wow, look at those fireworks. No, look. Ooh. What'd you think?
That was awesome.
That was awesome.
Great fireworks show.
Yeah, except for that one dude that was standing up like almost the whole time.
Yeah, there's always one of those.
Yeah, there's always one of those. We were able to hit the Eisenhower Memorial on our way back to the car after the fireworks. This memorial was dedicated in 2020. It honors the nation's 34th president and World War II Supreme Allied Commander. Designed by Frank Gehry, the memorial features large stainless steel tapestries, bronze sculptures, and inscriptions that celebrate Eisenhower's leadership in war and peace, highlighting his legacy of service, unity, and vision for America's future. After that eventful day, we are taking a day off. I have a ton of chores to do around the Airstream, and I'm trying to get tickets to the Air and Space Museum. Now, these tickets are free, but you have to reserve them ahead of time, and because it's 4th of July week, they've just been sold out all week. But they do open some first come, first serve tickets online, like first thing in the morning. So you just wait in this little waiting list and then you're able to get them. So we headed to the Air and Space Museum the next day. Hey guys, where are we going today? The Air and Space Museum, yes. What do you want to see there? Some toys? Okay, what do you want to see, Max? You want to see toys too? Boys and their toys. Tata, what do you want to see?
Oh, definitely some toys, for sure. I know, some spaceships and stuff.
We'll see what we can do. So this piece of the Wright brothers flyer, the glider, was sent up to space, Apollo 11, 1969. It's pretty awesome. All right, let's go in, let's go in. Hold my hand, hold my hand.
Wow, you see where the pilot would sit? Up here?
What do you
See all
think?
the levers and the
Wow.
switches?
Well, it's all blocked off, sweetie
Harry,
pie.
stop
Look at
trying
all
to
these
let go.
controls and stuff. Pretty cool, huh?
This is where you
All right,
would
this
sit.
is where all of the passengers would sit back when air
It's
travel was
very comfortable.
right.
Sit, Mama. I really want to sit.
You'd really like to sit, pal? It's
Well,
a museum.
we can't sit because this is a display. So I'm pretty sure the kid over at the area we were just at is like the future Unabomber or something. He was just like,
Yes.
I mean, serial killers gotta go to museums too, you know?
And what does that show?
Stout.
That is fun. You spin stuff.
Pretty cool museum. I wish we had more time to like actually read the displays and all that kind of stuff, but you know, again, entertaining the boys. This time around, they had a lot of interactive displays that the boys could play with, so that kept them entertained. Did you like this museum?
I did. It was very good. Lots of interactive displays.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling them. Boys like interaction. Well, we had a successful Washington, D.C. trip, I think. Learned a lot about toddler travel, but in general it was fun. Gordon and I love Washington, D.C. We've both been here several times. It's just a great city. There's just so much to see, so much history, one of the oldest cities in the United States. And this RV park is the closest RV park to D.C. So Cherry Hill Park in College Park, Maryland, definitely gets our A+ stamp of approval. 2 pools, a splash pad, 2 different laundry facilities, a cafe that will deliver to whatever table you're sitting at, either at the splash pad or at the pool. All of the sites are level, very, very nice. You get a picnic table and chairs. We've seen, you know, huge Class A campers all the way down to, you know, van life. So it will fit any kind of rig that you have. There's a nice dog park, playgrounds. It's just, it has everything. So I could definitely say that we recommend this place and that we will be returning here. But now we have about an hour before we need to check out and head on to our next spot. So join us next week as we tour the Petersburg National Battleground, stay at 2 different harvest hosts, a bee farm and a blueberry farm, and end up in Florida to spend some time with family. We'll see you next week.